I hope you are having a wonderful day. If this is your first time listening, welcome. If you are a regular listener, then welcome back. Today we are going to talk about something very important. Our topic is stay positive every day. This podcast is in simple English, so you can relax, listen, and improve your English while learning something useful. Let's begin. Every morning is a new beginning. Every morning gives us another chance. Yesterday is over. Tomorrow has not yet arrived. Today is the only day we truly have. When you wake up in the morning, you have two choices. You can begin the day with negative thoughts, or you can begin the day with positive thoughts. Your thoughts are powerful. The way you think affects the way you feel. The way you feel affects the way you act, and the way you act creates your future. So choose positive thoughts every day. Being positive does not mean that life is always easy. Everyone has problems. Students have problems. Parents have problems. Workers have problems. Business owners have problems. Even successful people have difficult days. The difference is not that successful people have no problems. The difference is that they keep moving forward. They never give up. They believe tomorrow can be better. That is what being positive means. Imagine two people. Both wake up on a rainy morning. The first person says, "Oh no, it's raining. Today will be terrible." The second person says, "It's raining today. That's okay. Maybe I can enjoy a warm cup of tea and read a good book." Notice the weather is same, the rain is same, but their thoughts are different. And because their thoughts are different, their day becomes different. Sometimes happiness begins with the way we look at life. Many people wait for something big to make them happy. They think, "I will be happy when I get a better job. I will be happy when I buy a new car. I will be happy when I become rich." But happiness is not only about big things. Real happiness often comes from small moments. A smile from your best friend, a beautiful sunrise, a delicious meal, a phone call from your family, a child laughing, a bird singing outside your window. When you notice these little moments, life becomes more beautiful. Gratitude is one of the best habits you can build. Gratitude means being thankful. Every day, take 1 minute and think about 3 things you are thankful for. Maybe you have good health. Maybe you have loving family. Maybe you have food on your table. Maybe you have a caring best friend. These simple things are gifts. When you focus on what you have, you stop worrying so much about what you don't have. Grateful people usually feel happier. Not because their lives are perfect, but because they appreciate what they already have. Let's talk about mistakes. Many people feel sad after making mistake. They think, "I failed. I'm not good enough. I can't do this." But mistakes are not the end. Mistakes are lessons. Imagine a baby learning to walk. The baby falls many times. Does the baby stop trying? No. The baby stands up again. And one day, the baby walks. The same is true for us. Every mistake teaches us something. Every failure helps us grow. So don't fear mistakes. Learn from them, smile, and keep going. Now let's talk about kindness. Kindness is free, costs nothing, but it can change someone's day. Smile at people. Say thank you. Say sorry. Help someone if you can. Listen when someone wants to talk. Encourage your friends. These small acts of kindness make the world a better place. And something wonderful happens. When you make other people happy, you often feel happier too. Kindness is a gift for both people. Another important habit is speaking kindly to yourself. Sometimes we are our own biggest critics. We say, I'm not smart, I'm too slow, I always fail. But imagine your friend says these things to you. Would you agree? No. You would encourage them. So encourage yourself too. Say, I am learning. I am improving every day. I can do difficult things. I believe in myself. Your words matter, especially the words you say to yourself. Now let's talk about comparison. Today, many people compare themselves to others. They look at social media. They see beautiful pictures. They see expensive cars, big houses, perfect vacations, and they think, my life is not good. But remember something very important. Social media often shows the best moments. It does not show the difficulties. Everyone has struggles. Everyone has worries. So don't compare your life with someone else's highlights. Compare yourself with the person you were yesterday. If you are learning, if you are growing, if you are becoming kinder, then you are moving in the right direction. Positive people also know how to rest. Working hard is important, but resting is important too. Sleep well, drink enough water, eat healthy food. Go outside for a walk, listen to music, read a good book. Spend your time with your best friend. Take care of your body and mind. A healthy mind finds it easier to stay positive. There was a man named Alex. Alex worked very hard. Every morning he complained, the weather is bad. My job is difficult. I am exhausted. Nothing made him happy. One day, he met an old gardener. The gardener smiled every day. Alex asked, why are you always smiling? The gardener replied, because every day I have choice. I can complain about the weeds or I can enjoy the flowers. Alex thought about these words. The next morning, he tried something different. Instead of complaining, he looked for one good thing. He noticed the fresh morning air. He smiled at his neighbor. He enjoyed his breakfast. Little by little, his life changed. His problems did not disappear, but his altitude changed. And because his altitude changed, his happiness grew. Sometimes we cannot change our situations, but we can change the way we see it. Now let's practice some positive English sentences. Please repeat after me, slowly and carefully. Today is a beautiful day. I choose happiness. I believe in myself. I am learning every day. I never give up. Every challenge helps me grow. I can overcome difficulties. I smile because every new day is a new opportunity. Excellent. Practice these sentences every morning. Positive words create positive thoughts. Positive thoughts create positive actions. And positive actions create a positive life. Before we finish today's podcast, here are 7 simple habits for positive life. Number 1. Smile every morning. Number 2. Be thankful every day. Number 3. Help someone whenever you can. Number 4. Don't compare yourself to others. Number 5. Learn from your mistakes. Number 6. Take care of your body and mind. Number 7. Believe in yourself. These habits are simple, but they can change your life. Thank you so much for listening to today's English podcast. I am Zofia. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I hope you learned something new. Remember this: every sunrise is a fresh start. Every small step matters. Every smile has power. And every day is another chance to become the best version of yourself. Keep learning, keep smiling, keep living, and keep moving forward, one day at a time. Thank you for listening. Take care of yourself. Have a peaceful, happy, and positive day. I'll see you in the next episode.